Property, buttons, and settings. In the 3 levels of management, property is the third and most specific. We have portfolio, market, then property. Majority of the adjustments will be made at this level, and the most aggressive adjustments will be made at this level. Key metrics and filters. This filter allows you to limit the listings based on the occupancy, ADR, and revenue ranges. Date selector. The date selector for the property page is limited to the monthly aggregation. When you click into the property itself, there's a detailed view of the calendar, pricing table, and chart. Same store. This filter has the same functionality as the one on the markets page. It will filter the data to only the properties that you have this year and that you had last year. Active properties only. There are cases where inactive properties will display in the application. For example, if the property becomes inactive in the middle of the month and there are still reservations and revenue for that property, it will still display. To remove those properties, select Active Properties Only. Adjust price. This will take you to the price adjustment page for the selected property. Add to price adjustment queue. The price adjustment queue is designed to streamline the process of evaluating and adjusting the price. This button allows you to add specific properties to the queue to be worked. We recommend that you first select a category filter before adding the properties to the queue so that you can work them with a common strategy.